Ja, so haben wir sie kennengelernt. Und wie wir dann flüchten mussten aus unerfindlichen Gründen, wie das Geschichtel angerannt ist eine Story von Bob Dylan, heißt Romance in Durango. Hot chili peppers in the blistering sun, dust on my face and my cape. Me and Magdalena on the run. I think this time we shall escape. Sold my guitar to the baker's son for a few crumbs and a place to hide. But I can get me another one, and I play for Magdalena as we ride. Oh Lord, es mi querida, Dios nos vigila. Soon the horse will take us to Durango. Agárrame mi vida, soon the desert will be gone. Soon you will be dancing the fandango. Past the Aztec ruins and the ghosts of our people, hoofbeats like castanets on the stone. At night I dream of bells in the village steeple, and I see the bloody face of Ramon. Was it me that shot him down in the cantina? Was it my hand that held the gun? Come let us fly, my Magdalena. The dogs are barking, what's done is done. No, Lord, es mi querida, Dios nos vigila. Soon the horse will take you to Durango. Agárrame mi vida, soon the desert will be gone. Soon you will be dancing the fandango. At the corrida we'll sit in the shade and watch the young toreros stand alone. We'll drink tequila where our grandfather stayed when they rode with Vila into Torreon. Then the padre will recite those prayers of old, and the little church this side of town. I wear new boots and an earring of gold. You'll shine with diamonds in your wedding gown. The way is long but the end is near. Already the fiesta has begun. The face of God will appear with his serpent eyes of obsidian. Oh Lord, es mi querida, Dios nos vigila. Soon the horse will take us to Durango. Agárrame mi vida, soon the desert will be gone. Soon you will be dancing the fandango. Was that the thunder that I heard? My head's vibrating and I feel a pain. Come sit by me, don't say a word. Oh, can it be that I am slain? Quick, Magdalena, take my gun and look up in the hills that flash of light. Aim well, my little one, or we may not make it through the night. No, Lord, es mi querida, Dios nos vigila. Soon the horse will take us to Durango. Agárrame mi vida, soon the desert will be gone. And and soon you will be dancing to fandango. Ole!